As we celebrate this joyous season, I want to extend Christmas greetings from myself, Joan, and the entire Lewis University community. Christmas is a time of reflection, gratitude, and the warmth that comes from being surrounded by loved ones. In a world that seems filled with challenges, uncertainties, and complexities, the message of Christmas remains a beacon of hope. It reminds us that even in the darkest of times, there is a light that can guide us toward a brighter future. This season is an opportunity to embrace the spirit of giving, kindness, and compassion. Let us extend a helping hand to those in need, share a smile with a stranger, and cherish the bonds that unite us. As we exchange gifts and enjoy festive meals, let us not forget the true meaning of Christmas, a celebration of love, unity, and the promise of a better tomorrow. May the warmth of this season fill our hearts with joy, and may the spirit of hope accompany us into the coming year. Wishing you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a new year filled with hope, peace, and prosperity.